Hello friend, today in this video I will talk about that what are the things those excel me to learn the English language as in my previous life 20 years back I used to write letters around the world, and those letters were in English language, and through those letters whenever people write me the letters in English language, and I feel the difficulty while reading those letters, and I thought that I should make myself able to understand the language. So I started learning the language, and from my basic classes I did not know the English language, because here in our area no custom of educating or teaching the students English language from basic classes. From 6th standard we start learning English language. I myself started learning English language from my 6th standard. So in this way I face problems. If I learn the English language from my basic classes, I would be more able, more fluent in this language, and whatever the difficulties I faced in my life while speaking English language, while in regard to fluency, that is only because of that I did not learn the language from my early classes. So right now the students and the children learn English language from their first class, but in previous time, at that time we faced lot of problems, lot of challenges, and we don't have the facilities, and we, as I told you in my previous video, that I am living in a village area, and you know that in village area there are so many problems, and we cannot even get the things easily. We cannot travel towards the city, because the people of village areas, mostly the poor people, and they cannot afford things to do easily. So I was also facing the problems, and then I continued my struggle, and I purchased or borrowed some books of English language from some of my friends, and then I started learning the language. When I was reading in my 10th standard, I was reading the book of bachelor level to learn the English language, and in this way a lot of vocabulary I gathered in my mind, but I don't have the practical experience to speak the English language. So other problems I also was facing. But then when the social media came, then I thought that I should make videos on YouTube, but because the facility of internet was available only up to the cities areas, so in village areas there was no facility of internet. Even we don't have the facility of telephone, mobile phone, and then finally a cell company erected their pole in our area, our village, and they gave us the facility of cell phone, and after that after the 2 years we got the facility for internet, and right now I'm making the videos from my village area, and I'm also uploading from village area, because I have seen that here are some facilities of internet, good facilities of internet. So due to sometimes whenever I visit to the area of a city, there is no good proper signals, and here in my village area I find a beautiful signals service, and I upload my videos which I made on internet, and you are watching. In this way I am improving my English language, and making the videos is also fun for me, and on daily basis I make the videos, and I enjoy a lot while making the videos, and in this way I'm improving also my English language and English skills. And I also request you, if you want to improve your English language, please read the books, and also do the practice, because practice makes the man perfect. If you don't do the practice, you will not be able to speak fluently. To speak fluently, there are a lot of things required and lot of time required. So I have seen some videos there, they say that learn English in 10 days. This is not correct. To become more fluent, you requires lot of time, lot of, I think you requires the years to become fluent, and when your vocabulary will be more better, more beautiful, then you will be able to speak the fluent language. So increase your vocabulary and also speak on daily basis, so that you will be able gradually and slowly to speak the fluent English. Hope you find this video useful. Allow me from this video, Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.